Combine like terms and write in descending order. 3 minus x squared plus 8x plus 5x squared minus 6x minus 2x plus 4x cubed. So we look and identify the largest degree term, which would be the 4x cubed. And that's the only cubed term. So this is equal to 4x cubed. Now the next term would be the x squareds, x squared, x squared. This is a -1 coefficient, so -1 plus 5 in parentheses times the x squared. Next, we would look at the x's, of which there are 3. And so we would have plus, in parentheses, 8 minus 6 minus 2 times x. And then the only constant term is plus 3. Simplifying further, of course, the 4x cubed remains the same. -1 plus 5 is plus 4 times, x squared. 8 minus 6 minus 2 is 0. 0 times x is 0. We don't need to write that term, so we finish it off with plus 3. So our answer, 4x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3.